How can you save on Strata Insurance? Well, before we answer that, we'll quickly explain what Strata Insurance is. Residential Strata Insurance is general insurance that covers common property such as apartments, townhouses and units under the management of a community title scheme, commonly referred to as strata title or body corporate entity. Holding Strata Insurance is mandatory under state legislation. Strata Insurance generally covers common or shared property as defined on the title of the property. This might include common areas, lifts, pools, car parks, gardens, wiring, balconies, walls, windows, ceilings, and floors. Strata Insurance must provide liability cover in the event people are injured on common property. But you should check what's covered under your strata policy. Strata Insurance is like any other form of insurance, in that there are restrictions to the policy expressed as exclusions. Each insurer has different exclusions and policy terms and conditions. Make sure you understand what is excluded from the policy your body corporate or strata manager has purchased. Unlike sure insurance, some insurers don't cover certain risks, such as storm surge or flood, or for certain property features such as retaining walls or pools for storm damage. Remember, strata policies do not cover your personal contents and personal items. Owners of strata titles typically share the premium costs of strata insurance as part of their strata fees. Insurance usually forms part of the body corporate levy, as well as organising things around the place, like trimming of trees or pool maintenance. The insurance broker has an important job because the strata insurance cost can account for the largest part of body corporate levies, and the annual premium can be anywhere between $1,000 and $150,000, depending on the size of the complex. That is generally the biggest portion of your overall body corporate fees, so it pays to get involved. Recent changes to government regulations actually require that body corporate get at least 2 insurance quotes. Some body corporate managers don't ask the broker to get a sure quote because sure does not pay them commissions, which means you could well be missing out on the cover designed for North Queensland at a better price. Things like a JCU resilience report, annual fire inspections, and the overall management of the complex are all factors that sure take into account when trying to reduce your premium. We've seen strata quotes go down by over 50% just by asking for a few more of these details. So if you like the idea of saving on strata, here's what you can do. If you're a body corporate committee member, make sure you get advice from a sure authorised broker and a second quote from Sure Insurance. If you own an apartment, unit or townhouse and pay body corporate fees, head along to the next Body Corporate Committee meeting and ask to know more about your strata insurance policy. You are well within your rights to ask that they get a second quote from Sure. Want to know more? Talk to your Body Corporate Committee today and check out Sure Insurance Strata HQ.